Hey guys, it's Haír By Akoni here, and I'm going to share with you my adventures through Cebu, Philippines. I last visited the Philippines in 2018, and I went to Puerto Princesa and El Nido, but this time I'm visiting a different area, different islands, and I'm having a different experience. So let's look at what I packed, how I got around, different things that I ate, and how the nightlife was. Check it out. Since I'm wearing my hair in braids, which is a quick protective style which provides low maintenance for me while I'm traveling from city to city, I had to make sure to bring my hair oils to make sure that my scalp and my hair was moisturized while I traveled. So just bring an empty container and maybe a travel size full of oil, or you can just wait till you get to your desired location to purchase some oil, put it in your container, and start oiling your scalp. I love products that provide multi-use. So since I knew that I couldn't travel with a lot of luggage, I had to make sure that I brought one of my favorite moisturizers. This moisturizer is provided by Vera's Girls, and it's a whipped body butter with shea butter, vitamin E oil, beeswax, all natural products and ingredients that I can put on my face, my body, and also my hair. So I made sure to bring it because it was a convenient travel size and it would make sure to moisturize all the essential parts of my body and my hair after washing every day. Another multi-use product is my Shea Moisture Essential Oil Soap. This soap is great for your body, but it's also great as a cleanser for your hair. So if I need shampoo, cleanser, all I need to do is bring the soap and I have a 2-in-1 body and hair cleanser. I know that one of the latest trends with packing efficiently are the travel cubes. I didn't have any travel cubes and it was a kind of a little late to order some, but I know that I have some very delicate mesh bags that I use to wash delicate items when I'm doing my laundry. So I made sure to bring these so that I could pack all of my essentials in a very convenient, efficient way to save space. So I have from left to right, different sizes, different shapes. I was able to pack 7 bathing suits in one bag, all of my clothes in 2 bags, and my undergarments in 1 bag. This is how it fit in my carry-on luggage. I only brought 1 carry-on luggage and 1 personal bag. My total weight was 7 kg, about maybe 16 pounds, and I was good to go. So we're all packed and ready to go. And I never would have thought of the events that would happen afterwards. Long story short, do your research before traveling any airlines, especially budget airlines. And please think twice before flying Cebu Pacific Airlines. Here's a little video of what went down. As you can see here, I am waiting in customer service. Waiting.
Your ticket, ma'am, is from other airline.
What does that mean? Just because it was from another airline, it shouldn't matter. The fact
Pacific,
that
ma'am, is point-to-point carry. I'm sorry, are you taking pictures, ma'am, or video?
I'm recording this conversation, yes.
Ma'am, from Manila going to Cebu is other airline, right? Since as what I've told you, ma'am, Cebu Pacific is point-to-point carry.
So when you guys delay the flight, you're no longer responsible for
Other airline.
Okay. So I can't get my money back. You guys can't put me on another flight to compensate me for you getting me here late. And for me already paying 2 times, 2 different tickets. So basically, Cebu Pacific Airlines delayed my first flight and put me on a second flight. So because the first flight was delayed, I missed my original connecting flight. That flight was no refund, no change. So I lost money on that. And the second flight that Cebu Pacific Airlines put me on, they also delayed that flight. So the second connecting flight that I bought, I was also unable to make because of the second delay. And that flight was also a non-refundable, non-transferable, non-modifiable ticket. So I ended up having to pay for a third connecting flight. So bottom line, 2 flights I missed, couldn't get my money back. And because it was Cebu Airlines' fault, they did nothing. It's a part of their policy that they will not compensate you for any missed flights apart on them unless it was a connecting flight that was booked with their airlines. I've never met an airline company to do this. I've never experienced this. And everyone was sitting on the plane truly upset. So I'm sitting on the plane and I decide to get on Google and research Cebu Airlines, something I should have done before. And exactly what was happening to me, I was reading over and over and over. So many comments stated that they're known for delaying your flight, making you miss your connecting flights, not compensating for any tickets, not connecting you, or giving you your money back. So I was feeling really, really frustrated. However, I was like, I have a big trip ahead of me. I cannot let them get me down. One of the public transportations that you can take is Angkas. Angkas is an app where you order a motorcycle to come and pick you up, just like Uber or Didi. It was a lot cheaper than taking a car, which I'll show you in the next scene. Taking a car, taxi, and a lot quicker because there was lots of traffic going from Lapu-Lapu, where I was, into the city of Cebu. Although Grab is a little bit more expensive and you'll probably be sitting in traffic longer than you would if you can speed through on an Angkas bike, you can also order food on your Grab app as well. So it's pretty nifty depending on what location you're in. We did some island hopping around Lapu-Lapu, ate some local food, and just really had a good day. We were able to get a really good deal on renting out a private boat, but it was better to go through some of the local Filipino people that were here. And here are a group of really fun girls that are friends with my friend. And they were able to get a boat for about 10 people for the price of 2,300 pesos. But if we had gotten it by ourselves as foreigners, we probably would have paid about 1,000 to 3,000 a piece per person. Oh, he's saying just to swim around. Oh,
so need goggles. This is fish fish. Where's the sanctuary is inside?
Oh, you want to swim?
Oh, that's what you mean, just to swim.
Swim around in this little area right here.
Okay.
But manas ng tanyo goggles.
I don't have any goggles, but that's all right.
Only have one. Just use first.
Okay. We were able to get a really, really, really great massage at a local massage parlor here. And as soon as you walked in, you could smell the peppermint oil, which opens up your sinuses, opened up your pores. And then we went on to a really awesome massage. So make sure that you get a massage while you're here. It's a great price and you're going to feel so much better.
Taiwan is very long place. You are at 200.
Can we back up to you saying I'm a Christian and you saying
I'm a Christian.
Yeah.
Are you a Christian too?
Yeah.
You a Christian?
Praise God. Praise God.
All right, so he not gonna cheat us.
I'm not gonna cheat you.
Okay.
I'm a good
So this is the bike
All right,
system,
so listen.
you know, like Uber instead of ordering a taxi, you can order a bicycle, and they come with a helmet, so it's safe,
Of course, it's there.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
more
going there.
safe.
Not here.
This is my friend Omar.
Taiburan.
No, that's just the name of the place.
Yes, the place. Okay.
Yes, yes.
But you mentioned Taiburan is very far away.
We're trying to get to the massage place, and it's a little far, so we're trying to figure out the area that I stayed in was Lapu-Lapu, which is the beachside area of Cebu. So if I wanted to go into this, I would just order an Angkas bike and take the what would usually take about 15-20 minute commute. Since there was heavy traffic, it honestly would take about 30 minutes to an hour every day. I went to the SM Mall and I made sure to hit up the food court. Food court has lots of local foods which are yummy, and also some other restaurants. Here's an in-depth look of the food court. The basement of the food court, I would say, with lots of the local foods. So if you kind of wanted to eat all of what the Philippines has to offer, especially in Cebu, you could go down to the basement floor and check out the food. I honestly wasn't in the mood for any seafood, and I didn't really want to eat any Western food. I had my mind on this particular fried banana dessert that they have, and I couldn't find it anywhere. Lots of soups, seafoods, some fried foods. Rice, clams, noodles, vegetables. More fried seafood. The next scene is just us chilling at the bar, singing some Migos with some of the bartenders and having a really good time. If you guys ever visit Philippines, definitely come down to Cebu and just have a really great time. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll show you what's next on our Southeast Asian tour.
Yeah. And can I have a vodka soda?
Okay, sir.
Do you know what the other
Chicken sunrise. Chicken sunrise and vodka soda.
Hey, we get you on camera, girl. Mama, go, girl. It's the melanin. It's the melanin.
Their HDMI is from this computer right here.